Pistol, where you at, nigga? I'm coming, nigga. Pistol unit. I told him I'm back with it. Reunited. Freestyle unit. You already know it's how I do it, son. Coming through on the East Coast. They see it's done. They like the mean, see with your knife and young guy guns with the beam, see with the beat like boy, drops to make you scream, young. What you saying, young? Me and my niggas in the car, back in the seat, lowering guns, and we start. Little niggas trying hard, come around the game, you really me. You already know, son, it's gotta see, and they fucking up. You already know they want to be. So I'ma load this slugs in this clip, and I'ma have to do it quick, and I'ma make a drip, some losing my fucking mind. Come on, win the game, cause you wanna drop it now. Talking more cripple, you already know, well, I ain't no crip boy, so don't ever put that in my name, cause you send it in my vein. That means you feel pain. When I find you, bitch, you already know it really be who's behind you, bitch. And the bitch, all them niggas can't play me, young, they wanna snitch. Look around me, you'll be clown, young. Little pistol, some low and round, son. Me and my niggas in the back of the seat. Don't even know how we do, son. I'll shot with the heat. Pistol, Judgment Day is coming. Judgment Day is coming along. Take your motherfucking life, dude. Because y'all niggas didn't believe it, kid. You already know this is how it is. You already know, son, God, you win. You already know this is how it be. Bang it. Little niggas ain't thinking. So with the beat like boys tricking the triggers, boy, and I'm not thinking. I'm not giving a fuck. Niggas with a try luck. Said the pistol mine is stuck. Hold up, get him bust. You already know we in the bus. Hold up to get him touched. Load that motherfucker up and hit the driver next in his forehead. Go ahead and bust leg. Pistol ain't playing low. Plus some little pussy nigga they thought I was scared of to do this of the law. Man, fuck them dog. You already know I broke them. I'm a dead man walking, son. So you think I'm joking? You little niggas choking. Come on, son with the gun, smoking your brain, sitting there loafing. You ever see him bad, but real dangerous. Minded, you grinding, little nigga. Little pistol was spinning the niggas that head like a penny. And then with these dual triggers on, little nigga, I'm popping plenty. Come on, dog, nigga, who come with me? Little niggas already know how I get for real. Little niggas already know the bad is chill. Little niggas welcome to Pistolville. You know I'm back up in the game, hold your breath. Little niggas, I ain't playing on the game, try to be nice. Little niggas take my money, son. I do not like that. Little niggas try to play me like I can't fight back. I give that. Pistol win the game, pistol on these lanes, and they see me dug up in the flame. They already know young, did not walk away or coming back. Little nigga talking trash, talking back. Hold up, burn a flat. When it's black, you already know I'm give a damn more strap. You already know I'm give a damn you in the hallway, but you wanna die. You already know the bitches wanna give me hugs and give me mugs. Yeah, I'm a back, son. Do not play with me. I do not do stuff. I go nuts. And soon I feel like I'm getting tested. They rush me, son, now I'm getting nasty. You already know get the fast quick. Now on the pistol, son, and get to kill them little niggas and get to kill the rest quick. You already know, son, do not wait. Get messy, son. You already know they burn their brains in the sheet. You already know, son, burn them flat, boy, cause they want that beef. Lock them low, son, cause they got heat. Come on, son, they say they gonna beat. Yo, they send me threats, talking about they gonna wanna fuck me up, son, and they gonna snap my neck. It's just like that, it's that easy, son, when I hear that crack. A nigga click clack, and now I'm curtain strapped. That's what I'm gonna use. Nigga, I ain't gonna fight no more. Nigga, I'm just gonna kill young you and your little crew. Come on, son, you gonna see what I feel when I got touched. You already know it got killed, son, yeah, with a knife going up. Yeah, nigga, caught by LIL pistol. No, caught by the gate for real. No, niggas don't know the kid for real. No, I ain't the one to play with, boy. I try to chill, niggas already know. The niggas left for me, son, till their life go. Niggas already see why I try to be a nerd. Now I gotta be a bloody G, son, man. Fuck it. Niggas, I'm about to bust quick. Little nigga, the pistol so nasty. Master boy get much quick. Niggas getting dusted. Little niggas get terminated. Won't prepare, though I swear, yo, beware of the pistol, cause on the bed. I'ma tear him loose. Tear his motherfucking body parts away and get them killers, dog. Cause they thought they was with G's, yo, they said they true. Don't even know they coming with they truth. Like they army gathered. Now I got my million soldiers with me, son. Yeah, they charm me. You already know bullets banging, son. Yeah, we harming. You already know nuclear bombs is falling, son. We bombing. You already know it's really be, nigga. What the fuck you saying? Nigga, I don't give a damn. You don't love me, so I don't love nobody, nigga. That's just how a nigga be. Now I'm sick of feeling lonely, so now I'm getting crazy. Cause you motherfuckers always thorny, motherfucker. Little niggas in the hood for real. Little nigga judgment day is here, son, and you can't chill. Little niggas all know for real. The little pistol back in the game, rest in peace. People know I'm a thing, man, walking, son. I got my siblings, you know we falling, son. Yeah, we used to be cool back in the day. Used to hug in the game, son. Now we born away. Come on, bring the game in the hood, son. Throw my thing in the thing, son. In the thing, young. Yo, son, the king, really jumping, son. They know me, young. Lose my mind, lose my life in that chain time, son. Fun. What the fuck? I'm dressing black and red. Little nigga, your mafia banging boy, son. I'm breaking niggas' heads. You ever know I'm busting shots. Little niggas see I'm feeling mini leg. I ain't can, son. I'm a law breaker, young. I touch it, boy. I'm gonna make it, boy. You already know, son. Like I'm a Jamaica, like I don't play. Yeah, with the man right there, son. I don't play, young. I just don't care, young. Load them shaddies, yo. Load them wood ratters in the hood. Load them texts and everything. Load the M16 and AKs. Little nigga, they see me and my mommies in the hood, son. Coming with the demon. See, you already know they got me screaming. Oh, in our soul, come on, dog, to let them please, son. Yeah, put money in the bowl, give me offerings, but it didn't give me none, son. So this is what I'm offer them. Yeah, take their guns out and take them off their heads now. You already know it's really be the pistol. We ain't playing around. You already know I try to be nice, I try to be fair. How the hell I can't be do that in this life, son? Though nobody care, everybody just wanna take, ain't nobody wanna share. Nobody wanna give a damn about the pistol. Want me die in the air, son. No nigga, kinda get killed, nigga. You already know rest in the game for real. No pistol in the game, no I'm real. No, it ain't no deal, son. Now I'm back to give. Cause son, and a pistol bill on nigga. What I'm rapping for the devil, nigga. That's me. Found out in my face that you see for real. An angry mob, nigga with attitude. So we do a 187 drive back. That's the code right there. So 7 guys shot, nigga lost lives, niggas in the hood, and I don't give a fuck. They ducking. Little niggas pissing, son. I'm busting. They can't believe it. This little nigga grew up. Yeah, he getting the touching. The little life. I don't care about your innocence. Little nigga, it came too much. Came for my attentions. Then they took my last lunch, and I ain't get to eat. So this is gonna be such. Gonna be touched. Little niggas getting nasty, boy. Devil in my mind now. All in my soul, son. All is in this lifetime. I'm shutting this whole world down. You already know drive backs. We doing it all sundown. I don't care, John. With the darkness, with the demons, especially me, nigga. I go hard, kid. I'm screaming. I don't care, nigga. What the fuck you mean? Talking about the pistol trying to change. Nigga, I try to do it, son, but they thought it was strange, nigga. Nigga, what is poppin'? No niggas know what the bees going. gon' drop it, man. Little niggas know I ain't playing around. Little nigga pistol loading the guns for real. Little clown, little niggas, they was treating me like this. Little grimy young nigga, that's what I'm do, bitch. Y'all already know little niggas always see where they be. Don't give a fuck about nothing, nigga. Pistol in the game, still the linen thing, and I'm steaming once again like your roofs in the hood. See the truth, it is about to come on out in this booth, and I'm outside with no doubt. When you start running your mouth, and I'm gonna remember everything, cause ain't nothing wrong with my mind, my friend. You already know, son, you already see, young, this world how they came. You already know, cause you took me this far, you took me to the level, son. Try to run me over with your car, so now I'm the devil. You already know that take your innocence day. You already know the graveyard, son, is what I came on. You already know you scared, tryna act like you a G. Little pistol, young, really young, full bloody. You already know me, coming from ugly motherfucker, yeah, with the spring, little knock the dead. You ever see, young, fuck happy Halloween, son. We ain't playing hollow tips. You ever see I gotta go on hollow dip. Boy, bother the model, she really right there with her tits, ripping it out, tryna put it on my head, tryna disrespect the kid till I get me. Then I show her frown, then she scared, cause he thought I was a fucking dream, like a clown. Come on, dog, now I'm a devil with a frown. Look at me, son, always spin around like this. Got the veins popping out my neck as I'm talking, boy. What the fuck they playing games with that? They could get spunky, son. Niggas already know what it is. Little pistol, you're in the bed. You already know how I get down in this game. You already know pistol dog, yo, my life ain't changed. You already know how I do when it's real for real. Freestyle unit records, boy, yo, I tried that shit. Nigga, now I gotta introduce you to death. You already know pistol bill, nigga, see the back. One more time, I bust it with too many nines, banging son, and you kill that nigga. Got him now, little nigga ducking, little nigga get hit, nigga. I like it's nothing, little nigga. What you say to me? Hold up, nigga. Little nigga. Yo, piss on yo, that hurt me. Told that boy right there, do not play with me. Now I'm put him in the back seat, cause that boy thought I know was crazy. I blast his baby, cause I'm that grimy. I don't care, I got no soul, nigga. I'm a grimy young nigga, so I'ma pop him in the back of this head. Nigga, pistol. Pistol, stop, pistol.